Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited! We get to talk about lines and how they affect everything, and this is going to help your assignment out for this weekend. So yeah, let's get into it. So just give everybody a heads up. I posted a lecture on the announcements. Please take a look at it. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll post on some discussions tomorrow. That way everybody has some information. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about lines and their usage and everything. So lines, communicating with lines is a really basic format. Line is one of the basic elements of visual communication. Not only do they direct the flow of content, but they divide space and the emphasis on specific areas, so you can create focus around lines using bold lines, confident elements, and really just kind of secure it and lay it out properly. Each type of line can resemble a different kind of mood or sense, so as you're building visuals, certain lines can emit certain moods and sensory images as well. So let's talk about that. So if you get straight lines, a lot of times straight lines and they're consistent, they give the impression of strictness and the rigidity. A lot of times people use straight lines and equidistant lines, companies and groups show to show organization and reliability. That way we know we're going to expect things as they come and you're not really expecting any wild moments. Now people that use curved lines, they tend to want to show playfulness and grace. These lines are more flexible. These also show trust, but it allows viewers to feel like these people have a lot of fun using these lines and everything, because they kind of just change the flow of it as it goes with it. So that it all really works with everything, and that's what's really important with all those elements. Now, another thing that we can do is diagonal lines. Diagonal is really interesting. They're really pleasant and stimulating to the eye and helps direct viewers to specific areas. However, much like this image right here, if you use too much in really a condensed area, it can cause confusion and tension on the eyes. However, they're used to promote exciting events, much like the bottom example, because you can direct viewers to specific elements and features with that. Not only that, thick dark lines help that as well. They're meant for boldness, user strength, and confidence. They're meant for things to be successful. You tend to see these a lot with like movie posters, events, music, concerts, and everything. This is where you tend to see thick dark lines and how they kind of play a part with everything. Then also you have thin light lines. This is used for delicacy and gentleness. They're meant for companies that like showcasing beauty without intimidation. Clothing lines are like this, especially female clothing lines. Anything that really showcases art, that's a really big aspect. That all kind of plays a part with everything. And then group lines as well to showcase data and exploration. Usually when you see a data table, it wants you to explore and take a look at the numbers and everything. And this allows for facts and showcasing research and trust that way. So there's a lot of different types of lines that you can utilize and a lot of different elements that really prove different reasoning based upon how they get it from a viewpoint. Other than that, that's all I got, my friends. So I just want to give you an intro to lines. Keep in mind your discussion posts, both initial and reply are due tomorrow, but keep in mind next week, initial post on Tuesday, reply post on Saturday. You also have your live lecture assignment and your written assignment. Please check the lecture to see how to do those. I go over them in the lecture all the time. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Hope to see everybody for class next week on Tuesday. And that's all I got. So take it easy. Bye-bye.